I want to talk to you about something that a lot of people don't talk about. Okay. I want to talk about old rubber tires. Okay. So I'm sitting here in the shop and I've got these aired up on this old truck, and all four of the tires are what came in on it when I got it. Okay. So I'm sitting here in the shop and this sucker goes off like a bomb for no reason whatsoever. Okay. And, and this is what happened. It was just sitting here. I wasn't moving it. It wasn't doing anything. I had just aired it up and it was sitting here and it exploded and ripped through this tread. Instantly hit the floor. And this tire, I mean, look at it. I mean, it's bowed out. I mean, and it looked like the rest of them, like that one back there, it looks perfectly fine. But that tire blew with no warning whatsoever. So I'm not trusting these tires at all. I might take them 2 miles per hour down the street once I get this thing on under its own power. But you have to be careful because these things are old. Old tires could be a problem. So I had to look at it for it. I had to flip it around and just scrub it off and try to find it. But the build date on those tires was August of 23. Was August of 2003. So it was 20 years old sitting in the sun. Just blew for no reason. Be careful out there. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that button. Smash that bell. Tell your friends. Check out UncleBuckStuff.com for a little merch if you would like a hat or a t-shirt. Y'all be good.